Hey everybody, I'm a nerve. Man, these people's like been treating me wrong in class because I'm a nerve. And you know, people be treating me wrong, say they call me out, they call me a nerve. They be like, nerve. I'm not a nerve, I'm just a normal person. I don't like nobody calling me a nerve. I'm very respectful. They be calling me a nerve, guys, and I don't like that. So let's get right in the video. Yeah. Anyways, difference then is, guys, it's not the craziest part. I'm gonna do a better video to get my subscribers up. I know I got 5 subs. Bring me up to 140 and I'll guarantee you I keep going. Okay? Today I'm gonna do a video about a nerve. So I started his day in school. So it helped me good. Guys, let's do this video. Let's start it. Let's do it. As a matter of fact, we're ready. Ready? Hold on, guys. Give me a sec. What video should I do today? I'm trying to think, God. I'm trying to think. Oh, I got one. Stay here. I got one. Stay here, stay here, stay here, stay here, stay here, stay here, stay here. Stay. Yo, what's going on here, y'all? Y'all ready for this? I'm ready too. But give me a second. This ain't no time to play. It's no time to skate. I gotta learn how to do my skates. Trying to prove that I'm good to be believed. Listen. So this nigga came by my house the other day, right? Knocking on my door at 5 o'clock p.m. I was so mad. I was like, bruh. Why you knocking on my door, bruh? It's time of the night. He's like, I just want to. I said, no, you don't need to knock on my door. You know why? Because he knocked on that door right there. I don't know how he got in my mama's house. I was trying to look for him, but I don't still know how he got in my mama's house. Man, I would have caught him, bro. You know I would have caught this man? I would have caught him, bro. He would have had something coming for him, bro. But he knocked on my door too much, bro. He knocked on my door, bro. I was like, why would this happen, bro? Why would this happen? Why do he keep knocking on my door, bro? Every few seconds, he's knocking every day. Told him, man, not to knock on my door. But I'm just keeping it real for y'all. Make sure y'all hit that notification thing. So every time y'all hit that notification, y'all will know how many videos I make. Less. I'm trying my best to be somebody. I'm trying my best to bring up YouTube channel. This guy told me on my video, he said, man, keep doing what you're doing. You're gonna get a lot of subs. I appreciate that, dude. Appreciate that. My friend, I appreciate that. Anyways, thank you guys for that from 5 subscribers. I hope I reach 140. Just hope I reach. Thank you guys for that and love you guys. Bye.